It is of the utmost importance that you keep yourself fully focused whilst driving. The slightest distraction that takes your eyes off the road for a moment could be enough to cause a serious accident. This could be looking at your mobile phone, using your car radio or other car controls, or being distracted by passengers. Just a slight loss in road position could be disastrous, and this can happen in just a split second. You must remain fully engaged in your surroundings, especially the road up ahead, so that you are ready to react to changing road conditions, hazards, and road signs. No explanation is needed as to the danger of missing a give-way line or a red traffic light. Like and subscribe for more driving tips.